Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have a bunch of household items to share with you guys. And I also had a lot of Easter and makeup finds, so I'm going to do those in a separate haul video. But today I just wanted to talk about a lot of repurchase house items. The first one here is Moisture Eliminator. And these are good if you have moisture in your closets and certain rooms in your house and things like that. And they have little styrofoam balls in there and they catch the water and the bottom fills up the moisture. I have sparkle paper towels, and I typically don't get this brand. There's 87 sheets per row. There are the pick a size, but for spring I just wanted something nice and pretty florally, so I got that. I did pick up 3 of the strong and soft bath tissues. I did get another box of the 175 count tissues because this is a really good deal and we just got over some sickness, so we went through several tissues, so I picked those up. I got another of the 40 square foot aluminum foils, a purchase that I hadn't purchased in a while. The Sure Fresh plastic wrap, you get 80 square feet. That's a lot for $1. All-purpose, microwavable, and it's clear. The Good Sense zipper seal freezer and storage bags, you get 15 in here, which I think is a really good deal. Used to get 18, still a good deal though, because they are freezer and storage bags. The Good Sense flap tie kitchen bags, these are in the spring scent. And I also picked up my all-time favorite Good Scent handle bags. You get 10 in here, and they're the vanilla scented ones. Now you get 14 of the tall kitchen bags, the flap ones. I do prefer the handles, but you do get 14 more bags, and we're getting ready to do some spring cleaning, so I wanted some extra garbage bags. Today they did not have the Lime Away, so I had to get the Lysol Clean and Fresh for the toilet. And this is 8 fluid ounces. It's a lot smaller than the Lime Away bottle, but I'm sure it will work just as good. I always repurchase the Palmolive Soft Touch and in the blueberry and almond milk scent. I love this stuff. And I got some laundry items. I got some of these Home Essentials wood clothespins. You only get 36 in here, but it's still not a bad deal for what I'm looking to use to hang out some blankets and some loads of laundry out to dry on a clothesline. So these are perfect for that. You can also use these clips for a ton of other things. Speaking of laundry, I did pick up one of these LA Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergents. This is a repurchase staple for me. You get 32 loads supposedly in this. Typically, I probably get about 12 loads out of this. Maybe 15, depending. And it has a really nice scent to it, and it gets the clothes clean and they're soft, and it's a nice scent, so what's not to love? It's 64 fluid ounces. I picked up another one of the fragrance in-wash boosters in the fresh scent. This one is awesome. I've done a full review on this. This stuff works. The scent lasts forever on your clothing and your wash, and it's just overall nice. I've had no issues whatsoever with that. And then I decided to try a new fabric sheet. Today I got the Bounce. You only get 15 sheets, but the scent on this is very loud, and I know it's going to take the static out of the clothes. Could put these in your drawer for extra freshness, in your sock drawer, underwear drawers, t-shirt drawers, whatever. In your car, there's lots of uses for fabric sheets. I just got these particular ones for laundry. The next few items, most of these are repurchases. These are more of preparedness items because we're moving into storm season and everything, and I've been picking these up for a while. The Luminescence 5-hour emergency candles. You get 6 candles in here. I've been picking these up, putting them back. I have a few boxes of those now. I did pick up another LED flashlight. This is a 2-in-1. I got some of this single-use super glue. You get 4 single-use tubes, which I think is a really good deal. I also picked up another solar light, black one. And a couple other items I always repurchase is the Sunbeam battery. So I got a AAA and a AA for flashlights and any other thing that we may need them for. I picked up some more seeds, some tomato. These are 4 for $1, so 25 cents a piece. Tomato, lettuce, carrots, and watermelon seeds. I did pick up one of these clear shoe boxes to store medications and stuff in. And last but not least, I did pick up some more preparedness items, some medications, and some I did pick up hand sanitizer, one of those to put back, and a thing of these Ready wipes, and these are antibacterial hand wipes. They kill 99.9% of germs. There is 50 soft wipes in here, which I thought was actually a really great deal. So this for the house, for the car, whatever. Still a really, really good deal with all the sickness and stuff going around. And this is a new find for my store. The Assured brand Children's Pain Relief. And it's ages 2 to 11. And it's 4 fluid ounces. Comes with a little cup on top, a little measuring cup. And I believe it's cherry flavored. So for $1, you cannot beat that. I literally just got pain reliever at Walmart, and it's right at $3 for children. And I found this, so I picked it up just to put back. And then I did pick up one of these Assured brand Daytime Cold and Flu Relief. This stuff does work. It's non-drowsy. It does take away the symptoms of being having a cold or the flu. For 4 hours, and you have to take it again. But overall, really good deal for $1. And then the last code item I found was the Alka-Seltzer Plus, and you get 4 of the tablets in here, and it's the one that does the code, and it takes care of all these problems here. And I thought that was a really neat find, so we're going to try that out. And that is all for the household items and repurchases. And stay tuned for the next haul, because like I said, it's going to have Easter stuff in it. It's going to be a makeup haul too. All things kind of beauty. So definitely stay tuned for that. And there'll be additional Dollar Tree links in the description box below. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.